I can't really do a start to finish mesh because I work on it pretty much everywhere. This is what I'm currently working on, which is the Ciri outfit from The Witcher 3. As I showed in the other previous video, I used the YouTube video on how to extract Fallout 4 custom content. Did the same thing by extracting The Witcher 3 content, and just as I showed in the video, I created bones and I moved the mesh into place using bones. And then you export it using object, right? So you export the mesh using object and you're going to import it using object. Because when you export the mesh, it does not save the bones. So when you import it back again, all you'll have is just the mesh but no bones after you've finished moving everything into place. So a technique that I use to try and speed up the process is mirroring. So not everything can be mirrored. Like for instance, this side is very different from this side. So you can't mirror this. You'll have to actually edit each side individually. So you go here, object, edit, right? And then remove it, grab this, turn it back on, grab Y, right? So each and every little dot will have to be moved individually, and you can't mirror the mesh because both sides are different. What you can mirror are the sleeves. So I can see this is deleted, but this is still remaining. So of course there's a lot of stuff that still needs to get done. So what I do is I work just on one arm, right? I fix up just one side. So like for instance, this finger here, like see here, kind of fix it up. Just got to bring it up. Right. I of course have to fix the inside and so forth and so on, which of course is tedious because you have to move one little dot at a time, bring it up, and same thing to fix the inside. You select the dots on the inside, move it over, right? Now let's just pretend this is perfect. And then what I do next, okay, so this is perfect, pretend, say it's done. Control C, Control V. So I make a copy of it. I press 7 on my number key. I then go to Object, go to Mirror, plus X. Click the screen anywhere you want, doesn't matter. Now you can see it's now moved over to the side. So once, and you can see the two fingers that I had already done is okay. So pretend this would be, of course, be perfect, as is perfect here, right? And that's how I kind of speed up the work process, as I delete everything that mirrored each other, work one side only, then copy, paste, and mirror to the other side, right? So that this way it cuts down the work. Same thing, as you can see here, the legs are exactly the same. So I'm going to delete this entire side, delete all of this. I'm going to work only on this side here, fix up only this side, then do the same thing, Control C, Control V, mirror it, so it'll become over to this side. This way you only work on one side. Like I said, it doesn't work everywhere because I can see this is totally different, so you have to fix this up individually, but because these are both exactly the same, Control C, Control V, click, press 7 on your key thing, mirror, X, right? And then same thing, I'll do this as well, mirror, X, bring it over, and that thing cut down time when it comes to importing objects.